Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss with you about reflection of light, and topic is reflection of light and subtopic is reflection of light from a plane mirror or plane surfaces, and the laws of reflection we are going to study in this. So when a ray of light is falling on the plane mirror, it is reflected by some laws which is called as laws of reflection of light. So what is this law? Incident ray. For understanding this law we have to understand few terminologies, which is incident ray, point of incidence, and reflected ray. So what is incident ray? The ray of light which falls on the mirror surface is called the incident ray. This incident ray is a ray which is touching the mirror surface and it is hitting the mirror surface. That ray is called as incident ray. Point of incidence, the point at which the incident ray falls on the mirror is called the point of incidence. Means the point at which the incident ray is touching the mirror, that is point of incidence. And reflected ray is a ray of light which is sent back to the mirror, is called as reflected ray. Means after touching the mirror surface will reflect the light back, that is called as reflected ray. So this is the terminology which we have to understand. Next terminology which we have to understand is a normal. The normal is a line at an angle to the mirror surface at a point of incidence. Now angle of incidence, the angle made by the incident ray with the normal at a point of incidence is called the angle of incidence. And angle of reflection, the angle made by the reflected ray with the normal at each point of incidence. So let us understand with the diagram what is normal. Normal is this line is called as normal, which is forming with the right angle with the mirror, is called as normal. Angle of incidence, when the incident ray is touching the mirror at this point, it forms an angle with the normal. This is angle of incidence I, and after touching the point O on the mirror, it is reflected back. OB ray is reflected back, so that is angle of reflection. So in this law we will have to understand the law in this diagram. So first law is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal all lie in the same plane. This is the first law. And the second law is the angle of reflection. This angle OA, ON, this angle and the angle of reflection are equal. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection is equal. So NOB, this angle and angle, this both are equal. I means angle of incidence, small I, small r means angle of reflection. So these both are equal. So this is what it is, the law, important laws. So here I have written here laws of reflection of light. The incident ray, reflected ray, normal all lie in the same plane. The angle of reflection is always equal to angle of incidence. Mathematically we show it like this: angle I is equal to angle R. A ray of light which is incident normally on the mirror is reflected back along the same path. Normal means, what is this normal? This is a normal. So if the light ray which is passing through the normal 90 degree is reflected back on the same path, and so the angle of incidence and angle of reflection for the normal is 0. So here we have written that angle I and angle R is 0 for the normal which is falling on the mirror. So this is how it is. By the example, plane mirror, M and M dash is a plane mirror, and ray AO is falling at 45 degrees incidence. So reflection also takes place as 45 degree angle. So law of reflection of light applied to mirrors, plane mirrors, concave mirror, convex mirror, wherever the reflection of light is taking place, there these laws get applied. So I hope this topic of reflection of light and their angles and the laws and the terminologies related to it are clear to you. Subscribe my channel for more such educational videos. Like and share it with your friends, and I hope this will help you score better marks. Thank you for watching.